Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Rubin. Here in this video I will show you how to turn off Find My on an iPhone. In this video I will show you there are two ways to you can turn off Find My for your iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone users to say how to turn off Find My on my iPhone. Solutions number 1 is using the settings app on your iPhone. You can turn off Find My directly from the iOS settings on iPhone where you went to disable it. First of all, open the settings app on your iPhone where you went to disable Find My. Inside the settings, tap on your name card at the top. On the next screen, now please make sure select the Find My. You will now arrive at the Find My screens. Here tap on the Find My iPhone. On the next screens, turn off the Find My iPhone toggle at the top. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID password on the screens. Type the passcode and tap on the turn off for the confirmations your action. This first way to you can easily turn off Find My on your iPhone. Solutions number 2 is using Find My on another iPhone. Now first of all, find out the Find My applications from the iPhone home screens and open the Find My app on the active iPhone. Inside the Find My, tap on the device tab at the bottom. On this screen, select the iPhone where you went to turn off Find My. When the chosen the iPhone opens on the next screen, scroll down and tap on the remove this device. When tap on the remove this device, now again enter the Apple ID password to turn off the Find My on iPhone. These two solutions to you can easily turn off Find My on iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much.